I don't know how old or what brand this polisher is. This just needs a lead. Take the whole bloody body apart to get into this. This is a bit of a balls. Two more screws. She is old. Small type of switch, hilti even used to use. Very reliable. It's laid out like a modern cheap machine, but with obviously better parts. Anyway, just a lead for this. Polarity doesn't really matter here. Good quality H07 cable. Rubberized flex stuff. Best stuff to be using. One polisher up and running. Seems a good enough machine for an older, cheaper one. Still not a hilti or a flex anyway, but nothing wrong with it. It's actually a sealey, an old sealey machine. Nothing wrong with that. I don't think you get one that kind of quality now.